Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys getting the biggest, brightest, widest smile in the entire world. Though you guys normally get some big grins from me, but today, girl, you're getting it. Listen, and I know you guys know why we all getting this big old grin from me, okay? My mouth look white. No, I'm not hungry. I just finished having breakfast. And your girls with an S. I'm going crazy. Your girls had ripe plantain, eggs, and bread today. Yes, you heard that right. Ripe plantains. I'm back on my ripe plantain train. Just a light bulb snap in my head, and I tasted a little piece that I made for Tyler and Babe a few days ago. And I said, okay, it's agreeing with me. So let me get back to my ripe plantain grind. So I still have my green plantain, which I super love these days, but I had ripe plantain this morning. Whew. Let me take it down a notch. No, girl, I can't take it down a notch because your girl is having a princess. Oh my gosh, you guys. Since we did our gender reveal, it still doesn't hit me. It honestly doesn't hit me that I am going to have a little sassy male running around this house. I had no signs, no clue telling me that it was going to be a girl based off myths, and what people have to say. Based off Tyler's pregnancy experience, when I was pregnant with Tyler, based off that experience and this experience, it was all too similar with a little bit of differences, but of course every pregnancy is different, so I couldn't really tell. But I was leaning more to a girl, to a boy, but deep down in my heart, you guys know that I really wanted a girl. And funny enough, I don't know if it's because I already have a boy while 90% of you wanted me to have a girl, but 90% of you have been saying from day one that Mel is going to be a girl. We hope it's a girl. And as you guys can see, Babe and I was genuinely shocked when we saw those pink confetti fall from that balloon. And of course, your girl couldn't stop the cow bawling. I had the best sleep that night because the night before the reveal, I didn't sleep. I was so nervous. I didn't know what was coming. I couldn't wait for the day to come. The day came and it was such a joy. It was one of the happiest day of Babe and I life. It was one of the biggest highlights of our entire journey together, finding out that we were having a girl, because Babe really wanted a girl for me and I really wanted a girl, but we had no signs and nothing that tell us that it is going to be a girl. But we are so happy, we're so excited, and Babe has been loving the fact that it's a girl. These days when he called and he messaged me, he doesn't even check on me anymore. He says, honey, how is my princess? Have you feed my princess? How is my girl? How are my girls doing? I'm like, oh my God, this is crazy. I cannot believe that a little girl will be in this house. Funny enough, Tyler get the concept that he's gonna have a sister. He understands clearly that he's gonna have a sister, but he keeps saying that, Mama, now that we saw the pink for the girl and we have a sister, can we go and get the blue for the boy and go and get a brother? Girl. I had to sit him down in that moment and say to him, baby boy, look, this is how it works. Mama and Papa will try for a baby, but we don't get to choose the sex of that child. Whatever Almighty gifted to us, we will have to be thankful, and that's what we will accept. Do you understand that mama and papa don't get to choose whether it's a boy or a girl? It's whatever God decides, that what we take, and we humble be thankful. So he understands, and he said, okay, so I'm not even thinking about baby number 3. I don't even know if we're gonna go for baby number 3, but girl, let's see. But for now, let's enjoy Princess. Let's enjoy baby D. Let's enjoy this little girl that's coming. There will be a little sassy male running around here, and as I am recording this, the gender reveal vlog is gonna go live in like an hour and a half. And I know you guys are going to be the happiest subscribers in this entire world and sending us lots of love, and we're just grabbing them, we're just taking them all, and we're just telling you guys thanks for riding with us and enjoying this moment with us. This little girl have a lot of aunties and uncles out there, okay, and we're just humble, and we're just thankful, and we're just satisfied, and we're just everything. We don't even know where to start. We're just taking in the moment that it's going to be a girl, you know. It just haven't hit me yet that I'm going to have a little princess. My mom messaged me and she said, girl, do you stop laughing and crying yet? You must be over the moon that you finally get your doll to come that's here. And she's sore. I've been dreaming, praying for this day. Okay, I've been wanting this day so bad, and my mom's reaction when she found out was beyond hilarious. And I'll be posting a lot of pictures on Instagram, so if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, the link is down below in the description box. Go ahead and check that out. And if you're new to our channel and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Click that button and subscribe right now, and click the bell beside the button. That way you don't miss out on when we upload. You'll get your notification. We upload Mondays to Fridays. Be sure to catch up and keep up with us. It's Friday and my boys are out. Tyler's at school, baby's at work. I'll no longer have to say my boys, okay? We're even now. I'll say my princess and my boys. That's crazy. Crazy. But I am looking forward to sharing the rest of this journey with you. Now I have to go and decorate her room. I have to go girl shopping. Oh my god, this is a whole new world in comparison to Tyler. But I'm looking forward to the journey. I'm looking forward to enjoy every minute of it. I am looking forward to seeing her beautiful face. And I'll be taking you guys along every single step of the way. You guys won't miss out. Like I said, I didn't get to do this with Tyler. I didn't get to film with Tyler because we weren't into YouTube then. So now I'll make sure I capture every single moment for personal use, and of course share some of these memories with you guys. So thank you guys for all the love that you guys will be sending us and all the blessings that you guys will be sending us. I have some stuff to do around here for today to end this vlog, but yeah, it's just been happiness. It's just been overwhelming joy and smile and just everything that this little girl is coming with us. But we are looking forward to the moment. Anyway, you guys, I have a bunch of stuff to do today before I head out to work. And the boys will be back, of course, and then I think we're gonna go a little shopping later for the supermarket because it's the weekend, it's Friday. Yeah, so let's see what the rest of the day holds. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the love. We love all of you, and we love you for loving us. Let me get on with my day, catch up and keep up with the fam. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in a bit. So you guys, one of my cousins that lives that lives in London messaged me a few days ago and told me that she ordered something, 2 packages for me on Amazon, and they should be coming to my house, but I had no idea what it is. And this was before the 6 came out. We have a cousin group, and they refer to the baby in the cousin group on WhatsApp as Nicola Rainbow, because they're convinced that the baby is going to be was going to be a girl. And one of my cousins said the baby is going to name after her Nicola Rainbow, which is not true, disclaimer. But anyway, my cousin in London said she ordered 2 packages, and the packages came, and I'm just gonna show you guys what came in the package. Crazy. So look at this cute rainbow outfit. Oh my gosh. And it's for a girl, and she had no idea that it was going to be a girl. That's crazy, and I'm in love with it, the fact that it's rainbow. All right, so that was in package number 1, and let me show you guys what's in package number 2. Package number 2 is the absolute cutest thing I've ever seen. Okay, let me show you guys real quick what's in package number 2. So this is package number 2, and it's actually a night light that projects rainbow. So I'm gonna turn off this light and turn it on and show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna project it on this wall just so you guys can see it. See, it's so pretty, and I'm in love with it. So that's what she sent me. So cute. This nightlight is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Yeah, so I just thought I would show those. I would share those with you guys because I think they're super duper cute. Anyway, you guys, from there on, our day went completely left. Like literally went left. You guys wouldn't imagine what had happened. What had happened was, we got shut out of our house. We literally got locked out of our house and had to call a company to come and unlock our door. So what happened was, babe came home from work, and my key was on the inside of the door, and I wanted pizza for dinner, so we were heading out to Pizza Hut. Babe, normally I would leave the key in the door because babe would be the last one to leave the house, and then he would just close the door when he comes out. But he completely forget to check to see if I leave the key in there, and I didn't tell him that my key was in there. So he stepped out of the house, closed the door with my key on the inside and his key in his hand. So when he put his key in the door to close the door, he's like, oh my god, babe. We leave the key in the door and we can't get in. We tried everything to see if we could get in the house, but it didn't work. So our last resort was to call a company that is on 24/7 service to come and let us in, and thank god someone came. Still ended up getting the pizza though. By the time we went to Pizza Hut and got back, the guy had arrived just in time, so we got to come in the house, and that was cool. So yeah, I wasn't in the mood to vlog again for the rest of the day because everything was just not going so well. But thank god that we got back in the house, and we just didn't get to vlog again for the rest of the day, but we're good. So basically that's where the vlog is gonna end for today. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy, and if it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe, catch up and keep up. And since the vlog went without you guys seeing Tyler and Babe for the entire day, let me just give you guys a sneak peek of the two. Hey there, say hello.
Hello guys.
He's in the kitchen doing husband duty. Tyler, Ty, turn around. Say hello to the faves. They're not seeing you. Turn around so they can see you.
Hello, faves.
Come here. Say hello.
Hello.
Say, how are you guys?
How are you guys?
He's watching his tablet. Alright, you guys, so there you guys. I couldn't go without you guys seeing a little sneak peek of Thailand Babe today. Alright, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fandom. Catch and keep up, we love you guys, and of course we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog, which you'll get a full blown of Thailand Babe, so don't worry.